Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is down about 0.06%. There, on the S&P Nasdaq 0.65% positive. Semiconductor up 2.2. Dow red. Russell 2000 transport there green. Banks down. Energy, biotech, healthcare, retail also down. Home builders, utilities, emerging market green today. Bitcoin up quite a bit. Gold, silver miners are down. Dollar down. Oil up. Treasury bond up. VIX popped about 44% there. Let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is what we closed on Friday. Looks like we actually saw a gap up this morning with the continuation on the first and second hour. We got close to that down gap area. I'm going to zoom out later and show you what that level is all about. All the boss bears been hanging around in that vicinity after the reclaim of this level last Friday, and the boss bears are not going to make things easy, as we talked about last week. So as you can see, we kind of stalled here a little bit on that third hour, and then it's been coming down all throughout the day, and it came down to retest my micro-term moving average, which is coinciding with my 387 pivot here. So let's zoom out here. Let's talk about some of these levels here. So as you can see, as I zoom out, you have a clear picture. See that big down gap right here. And this is where all the boss spirits are hanging out with their automatic weapons. And you see how quickly the boss bears shot the bulls down. We came down here. We came down to 387, coinciding with the prior swing high here, right? Coinciding with the micro-term moving average is not a mistake or coincidence that when the market did come down, we came down to right to that level right here, right? So this is a level that potentially could see this level acting as potential support going into tomorrow. I think this band of support is going to be more important right here. So what I'm going to do, I really think 387 to about 385 to 384. I think this entire band of support, this is a level where bulls really need to protect if they truly want to make something out of this base that bulls have built up here, right? So it took them close to, about a month here. This is a 1 month worth of work. Bulls had to work overtime to make sure the base has been formed, and we see that breakout Friday and today. And if this is a retest of a breakout, it's not a bad setup as long as we stay above 387, 385. Bulls worked hard here to get this back up. About 3 trading sessions. Obviously, I'm going to go back to the Austin. You'll see it finally got to that overbought level. So you know what? Actually, because of my long term is at 384, I'm going to put another one at 384. So as long as bulls can protect this entire level, right, and see a bounce, either will be bounced from here, here, or here, and then we get back up to attack 394. Obviously, bears are desperately seeking to make sure this down gap does not get filled. Bulls, however, they want to make sure this down gap gets fully filled if they want to advance above 400. Let's check out that oscillator. So as we talked about just now here, so we've been coiling for quite some time, but it's been coiling back and forth at the middle of this band. So as you can see, for quite some time, for an entire month or so, it was not hitting the overbought level, nor was it hitting the oversold level. It was oscillating back and forth at the middle of its band. Finally, bulls were able to bring this oscillator all the way to the top of its band, And near that, we hit that extreme overbought level. So you can see bulls worked really hard to bring that price all the way to 394. And quickly, with the oscillator crossing down here, as you can see, bulls need to see, rejuvenation. We need to see that reset on that oscillator. Again, we don't know if it's gonna bounce right back up from here. We don't know where. Maybe find this as a new support. But right now, going into tomorrow, we have the levels that we want to watch here. 387, 385 or so are the levels where bulls can find support. And this is a must-hold level, right? And with that oscillator currently favoring the sellers going into tomorrow, right? If bulls want to bring that oscillator back up as quickly as possible, they need to see that bounce right away tomorrow morning and see that bounce on that micro-term moving average. Otherwise, 385, 384 might be some of those levels that, could find some support there because some of these moving averages in that vicinity. But whatever happens, if you're a buyer here, 385, 384 is a must level hold, and bulls might try to get back up and battle with the boss bears at 394. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Injury evening, go train tomorrow.